This is a website that wins design awards, the kind an agency quotes you $20,000 to build and makes you wait 3 months for. I rebuilt the whole thing in an afternoon. No agency, no Webflow, no WordPress, and it cost me nothing. If you're still paying a page builder every month, you're going to want to see how. Here's the part that breaks people. I didn't drag a single box. I didn't pick a template. Every pixel of this is just code, written by Claude Code, sitting inside my code editor. And I know what you're thinking. Code is the hard way. It used to be. That's exactly why page builders existed in the first place. Think about why you ever opened Webflow or WordPress. Building a real website meant writing code, and code had a wall around it. So you had 3 options. Spend a year learning to build it yourself, pay a builder a subscription forever and live inside its limits, or hand an agency 20 grand and pray. That wall, the skill gate, is the only reason this whole industry exists. The wall just came down. I gave Claude Code 2 skills, one called front-end design, one called UI/UX Pro Max. Together they know taste, spacing, type, motion, the things that separate an award winner from a template. I described the site I wanted. It wrote production-grade React. Not a mock-up, the real thing, running. Watch what an afternoon actually looks like now. I describe a section, it writes it, the page updates live. I change my mind, it rewrites it in seconds. No dragging, no fighting a layout panel. No, why won't this thing center? By the time I'd normally have finished picking a template, the real site was already on screen, the exact one you're looking at. And look at what comes out. This headline that's blurred, then sharpens as it loads. The editorial type, the layered depth, motion that feels designed, not bolted on. Now here's the same brief on a typical page builder. Clean enough, but it's the look everyone else has. The ceiling of a drag-and-drop tool is a nice template. The ceiling of code is whatever you can describe.
But this isn't really about looks. Open the hood. A coded site like this scores nearly perfect on Google's own speed test. A typical Webflow or WordPress build, stacked with plugins and bloat, limps in at half that. And here's why you should care. Google ranks fast sites and buries slow ones. Your page builder isn't just costing you a subscription, it's quietly costing you traffic. Okay, but you're not a developer. The whole reason you pay for a builder is so you can change your own words without calling someone. Fair. That's the real objection. So let me kill it. And a headless CMS? Just as easy. You let the AI install it, then edit your headlines, your blog, your images in a clean studio. No code, no developer. You can even update it just by talking to your assistant. Now stack this on top. Imagine your blog writes itself. There are APIs that hand you real keyword data, what people are actually searching, and how hard each one is to rank for. Feed that to the AI, let it draft pages aimed at the keywords you can actually win, and publish them straight into your CMS. That's not a content calendar, that's a traffic machine that runs while you sleep. And the climb looks like this. And the stuff that used to need a developer and 3 paid plugins? A/B testing, analytics, heat maps. I just asked Claude to add them, and it did. Test 2 headlines, see which one converts, keep the winner. The optimization an agency charges you a retainer for is now 1 sentence you type. So add it up. The Webflow subscription, the SEO plugin, the testing tool, the agency on retainer, the developer you were going to hire. All of it collapses into one thing, you describing what you want to an AI that lives in your code. That's why I keep saying it. Page builders aren't dying. For people like us, they're already dead. So I'm genuinely curious. What's the one thing still keeping you on Webflow or WordPress right now? Drop it in the comments, and I'll tell you straight whether Claude can replace it. I'm putting the full build on the channel, the exact skills, the Sanity setup, and how the self-writing blog actually works, end to end. So follow along. Building the machine on YouTube, build the machine __ on Instagram. The skill gate is gone. Go build something that looks like it costs 20 grand.